Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use product templates in Photoshop. These product templates are very important to make sure the entirety of your design is going to show up on your product the way that you want it. So here's how we do it. I'm going to show you using the can cooler. The can cooler has a really unique shape, so this will be a good example to show you how to make sure your entire design is located within the safe area. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down to Design, File, Info. Click on that tab. Here I will see that I need to export it as either a JPEG or PNG at 100% quality, and the dimensions are 1425 by 1725 pixels, and here's the important part. The resolution needs to be 300 pixels per inch for this template and design. Just keep that in your head for this next part. I'm going to go ahead, click template, and that'll download the template to my computer. Next, I'm going to go to Photoshop and open up that template. All right, so here we are in Photoshop. You can see that I have my can cooler template right here. I just need to click on it. Okay, don't click OK yet. You need to make sure all of these settings are correct. I look here and I see it only has one of two pages selected. This is a double-sided item, so I want to make sure I have both templates uploaded to Photoshop. So if I go ahead, click Command, I select both of them. Here we go. We got two of two pages selected. That part's done. Now I need to look at my image size. The width says 713 by 863. That is way lower than the 1425 by 1725 I can see here. Don't go in here and change these. You need to go down and check the resolution. If you notice this is different than what you thought it would be, it's probably has something to do with this. Remember I said that we need to make sure we're uploading it at 300 pixels per inch. This says 150. This is a box that I should change. So I'm going to go ahead and write 300. Oh, look here. Now these magically updated to 1425 by 1725. That's exactly what I want. It's perfect. I'm just going to go ahead and click OK. All right, so here is my template. I can see that it opened up in two different tabs. That's because once again, this is a double-sided product. If I want to upload my design now, I just need to go to File, Place Embedded, and here is my design. I already designed it in a different software, but I do want to put it in Photoshop just to make sure everything checks out and then everything lines up with the template. So I'm going to go ahead and click Place. If your design file is not the exact same size as the template, this might come in looking a little bit like this or something. You can just go ahead and use these little squares to adjust your image. So that looks perfect to me. But here's the thing, I can't see the template. That's because I need to move this layer above my design. And I still can see my design, and it looks like everything is really fully placed within my safe area. Some of these stars are extending out to the product line. The black is all the way to the bleed line, which is what I want, but everything important is within the safe area. So that's perfect. I'm ready to export this design. But first, I need to make sure I turn off this layer. I don't want this to come out with 1425 by 1725 written across it. That would make a very ugly design. So I can just turn off this eyeball. There. And now I have my design. I can go File, Export, Export As. I remember that I can have it be a PNG, but I want to turn off transparency. Transparency will make it so that I can't keep this background color, but I do want that. So I'm going to turn that off. Everything else looks good. These are the right measurements. And so I am ready to export. Here we go. I can just keep this and click Save. That's perfect. Now I'm ready to go in to printedmint.com to upload my design. Here I am back at the product page for the can cooler. Let's go ahead and design it. I'm going to go ahead and click Design. Here's my template. Looks just the same as the one on Photoshop. Go into My Files. Here's my design. It says Cass and Jordan. And then I just want to actually put this design on both sides. So I'm just going to click Apply to both sides. There we go. It says Cass and Jordan. Very excited for their wedding. And then I'll go ahead and click Next. There we go. It's got the same design on both sides, which I'm very happy about. I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And there's that. I can change the product name to Cass and Jordan. And I could edit the product description if I wanted to. For more details on that, you can check out our design editor how-to video. But for now, I'll just go ahead and click Save and Open. Alright, and there's my can cooler. I'm very happy with it. That's all for today, guys. Tune in for more videos from Printed Mint. Thanks for watching.